So this lorry has over 2 million kilometers mileage. So what I'm going to do, we are going to see how it starts, a cold start. So the first thing, I always tend to remove one terminal of the battery when leaving it for the night. So let's hear it. Cold start. Cold start. It's a pretty old. It's a Pro 2, I think. It's pretty old. So let's see how it starts. Okay. It's on, so we have power. So let's hear it. Come on, come on. Yes! Woo! And that's how you start. And for the record, as you can see, 2,500,000 and something kilometers. Let's go.